Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your network settings on your Chromebook or Chrome OS. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu or Start button, and you want to go ahead and select the Item Assist settings with a little gear icon. Go ahead and select that in the menu. And then on the left side, there should be a network button underneath settings. And on the right side, you can see your network connection. If you're connected to anything, you can select or change your modified network by selecting that. And you can view your IP address as well as connecting to a proxy or network server there. If you click the back arrow up at the top, you can add a new connection and you can add a built-in VPN and then connect here, select connect, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.